Welcome to the personal property tour for 45 Park Drive in Leven. This is a spacious 2-bedroom end-terraced property. You've got beautiful enclosed rear garden, you've got a lovely garden to the front. It also has a pond, recently decorated. You've got great lounge. You've got those patio doors as well that look out to this beautiful view that I'm going to show you in a second. You've got 2 really good sized double bedrooms, move-in condition. This is a great property and I cannot wait to take you on the tour and also show you the stunning view that you're going to get. So this is the property here. Isn't it lovely? So you can see you've got your entrance here to the side. You've got a gate as well that takes you to the rear garden, but you've got those patio doors that come out into the front garden as well. You can see the pond immediately. It's a beautiful home, isn't it? But actually your views as well are absolutely stunning. Look at that. Isn't that great? From here you can actually see the Bass Rock. You've got the steeples for the churches. It's a great spot. Let me just take you on the tour. It's gorgeous garden to the front as well. So as I say, you've got your entrance there to the side for your garden at the rear, but you've got this lovely garden to the front as well. So you've got your patio, nice area to sit out here. Great views, isn't it? Such a lovely front garden. Let me take you on the tour. So as we come into the property, you come into the entrance vestibule. So ideal for the kids, get the coats off. You've been walking the dog, you get that all hung up. We're into the inner hallway and we're going to start upstairs. So nice and bright, you can see instantly you've got that window here. As we get to the mid landing, you have another window, so it's lovely and airy. And you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom up here. So we're going to start in bedroom number 1. So this overlooks the front garden and it's a great double. Look at the size of that room. It's fantastic, isn't it? And you have the benefit of these gorgeous views. Look at that, overlooking the park. So as I said, you can see the Bass Rock, you've got the church steeples, Berwick Law, right across to Edinburgh. Stunning views. Really nice, isn't it? Great sized room. So that is bedroom number 1. You've got storage as well, so a little bonus there. And then we're going to head into bedroom number 2, which is just in here. Another really good sized double. Lovely and spacious, isn't it? This one overlooks the rear garden. Wee sneak peek. But a good size. I love the doors as well. And then from here, again, you can see the window and just how airy it is. You've got access to your attic here. And then you've got your shower room, which is a lovely size. You've got your WC, your vanity wash hand basin, your shower with your thermostatic controls and your rainfall shower head. But again, recently done. Lovely, isn't it? Right, let's head on downstairs. So again, you just see how lovely and bright and airy it is. So much natural light coming in. And we're going to head into the lounge. This is a lovely room. Isn't that nice? Lovely and spacious. I like the shape as well, so it's really a versatile space. You could easily put a dining table over here. And as I say, you've got those patio doors leading out to the garden as well. And you've got those lovely views. It's just stunning, isn't it? The garden just looks great. Good size room. Then we're going to head on back into the hallway and into the kitchen area. So we'll come into the kitchen. Gala style kitchen, plenty of space for your freestandings. As you can see, you've got your fridge freezer down here, you've got room under here for your washing machine. Again, 2 windows, so it's lovely and bright. Overlooks the garden. But nice space. And you've got your cabinetry either side. And the bonus as well is you actually also have a little back hallway as well. So again, if you're coming in from the garden, you can hang the dogs' leads, etc. up. Plenty of space for your boots and shoes. You've also got a nice cupboard here too. And then we're going to head out into the garden. And the garden's just lovely. So peaceful. Isn't it nice? So this takes us to the side where you saw the entrance gate. You've got your bin store area. You've got your gate here. You've also got a coal store. So again, that's great for bikes, lawnmowers, etc. Nice space there. You've got this mature area of garden here as well, which is lovely. We're going to head on up so you can have a look at all of the garden. So you've got this area here, as I said, that's mature. your laundry area. You've got this lovely deck here as well, just totally capturing the sun. We're early, this is only 11 o'clock in the morning and the garden is full of sunshine. It's lovely. You've got a kids swing area here. You've got storage with your shed there as well. That's lovely, isn't it? That's the rear of the property. Got a greenhouse here too. But it's such a great spot. Everything's just starting to bloom, it's lovely. Really peaceful. Great location, isn't it? So this is a personal property tour for 45 Park Drive in Leven. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom end-terraced property. You've seen the stunning views that you're getting. You've got that lovely front garden with the pond. You've got a great rear garden as well. Really peaceful. The sun is shining down on me just now in the morning. You're going to have the sun all day in this garden. You've got a nice shower room as well. Really good spacious double bedrooms too. And it's in a great location. So location wise, you couldn't be better placed. You're literally a stone's throw from St Agatha's Primary School. You're 5 minutes into Leven, so you've got the train station, the swimming pool, the promenade, the beach, the golf courses, the high street, all the restaurants, bars, everything the high street has to offer to you. But that train station is such a big plus being so close. It's taking you to Edinburgh and beyond and Dundee and beyond. So commute here is fantastic. You're a very short walk as well. You're down to Leven Glen, so you've got everything that has to offer with those lovely woodland walks. You can drive up the hill. You're at London Links. You've got Silverburn Park, Blacketty Sides up there as well. So much on your doorstep. It's a great family home. This is a personal property tour. All of the details are in this post. So if you want more information, the link is there for you to have a wee look at. Likewise, you can always contact myself directly and you can message the team on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Property TV. Take care. Bye bye.